Here with a look at Bitcoin. Looks like we are breaking resistance here. All right, you can see Bitcoin peeking its head out above this overhead resistance, this blue line right here. Okay, you can see we're poking out right there. This is on a 4-hour chart. All right, if we zoom in on an hourly, all right, you can see the break of resistance and you can see it retesting that now as support. All right, so looks like we're getting a break to the upside. You can see volume coming in down here at the bottom, the green bars. That's great to see. All right, and also we got Bitcoin dominance. I'm going to show you this real quick and then we're going to get back to this chart. But look at Bitcoin dominance taking a plunge here, all right, on a daily. Check this out. Look at this, the thing just crashing. All right, so that's fantastic for the altcoins. All right, you can see the support line it broke here. This blue, whoops, let me get my pointer here. This blue support line was support, support, support down through there. Ended up crashing right through it down here to 51.5%. All right, we'll see if it holds that. If it doesn't, it's heading down here possibly to 48.7. So that's good. That's good to see. And seeing Bitcoin break out and Bitcoin dominance dropping, that's fantastic. All right, now if we zoom in here and look at Bitcoin. All right, we also have the Dow Jones up today, 111 points. And we have that Dixie still falling, down another 0.603. It's down to 100.95, and it had very good, it's down through the 786 fib retracement. Look at this real quick. Got to show you this because really I think everybody expected that 786 to hold up. The 786 was right here, all right, and this is on a daily from your swing low to your swing high. You expected that 101 to hold. Look at it, it was support all back through there, all back through this area through here, and it ended up crashing down through it. So we'll see what happens with that Dixie, but I know a lot of people were expecting it to hold there. All right, now Bitcoin itself is up $864 right now, 2%. All right, we're going to take a zoom in here. On the daily, we have, we're up 10,500 Bitcoin on volume for the day. All right, we have the daily RSI. Just trying to flip up bullish here. It's at a 32 and a 36. On the regular RSI, this thing is pointing straight up. All right, so it's obviously trying to validate this breakout and not fall back in here. All right, you got the 12-hour just heading up right here, just turning up. The stochastic, look at that. At the bottom, oversold, bullish heading up. You got the 8-hour heading straight up. All right, and the 4 is still bullish at a 91 and an 82. All right, so as long as Bitcoin can hold this right here at, what is that, 43.3, right about 43.3. You want to see it hold that. All right, right now it's at 43.366. Want to definitely see it hold this area. If we go on a 30-minute, all right, you can see it broke out of there. Now it's back testing this area as support now. Okay, so definitely want to see it hold that. And then the next target up there is at 44,000. All right, that ended up being resistance. Right before that, we have a little bit of resistance at 43.6. Put a line there. Right there. All right, we got a little bit of resistance. Actually, we ended up running into that on the 4-hour here. You can see that's what we wicked up to, that 43.6, and got rejected. So that'll be the first area to break. Then we should be heading for that 44,000. All right, but looks like hopefully this breakout is validated and it don't get sucked back in here. Okay, you want to see it hold that 43. Call it 43. This could even be down a hair. It could be right in that range there. 43,200. You definitely want to see that hold. I'd like to see it hold higher than that. I'd like to see that 43,300 hold. It's getting sucked up right now. Look at that. That candle's getting, so that 1-hour candle's getting sucked right up. So as long as we can break that 43,600, then we got a valid breakout. Then that thing's going higher. Then the next target would be up at 44,000 bucks. So Bitcoin's looking great. That's what we need here. And obviously we'll take on that 45,000 here at some time. But as far as the Fibonacci goes, let's see where we're at here. We're probably right around a 702 on this whole move. Swing high down to the swing low. Look at that. It hit a 702. that 43 577 is your 702 fib level, and it smashed right into that. Okay, so yeah, any break above 43,600 and we have a valid breakout. That would be a valid breakout to me, as long as it doesn't get rejected here. All right, you see the 702. Normally, when you break a 702, you normally have a breakout. That 786 is your last area of resistance. Last time we got up there and it ended up rolling over, but I think this time it's going to give it a legitimate run. On the weekly, 76 and an 83. This thing is bearish on a weekly. On a monthly, still bullish, a 100 and an 89. All right, but this daily is the big one. I want to see that flip bear or flip bullish, and keep an eye on these levels, guys, especially in here. You know, that 43,300. Like to see that hold right here. Okay, worst case scenario, it comes down to 43.2 and bounces from there. But any breakout above 43.6, and we have a valid breakout here. All right, so keep an eye on those levels. That's going to make the rest of the market run. All right, guys, thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member, and I'll talk to you soon.